Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make mutton curry. The mutton curry is very easy to make and it goes with anything. You can eat with rice, naan, roti, and milk rice, string hoppers, anything that requires gravy is delicious. So let's make some mutton curry today. I have 2 pounds of mutton with the bone. I have 1 medium onion chopped. I have a handful of cilantro chopped. I have 2 Roma tomatoes and I have 1 teaspoon of tamarind, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 4 teaspoons of paprika, some curry leaves, some garlic. So to taste, I have 2 teaspoons in here, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, some lemongrass, some ginger, Thai green chilies as you like. I have about 8 in here. I have 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I have some cinnamon, some cloves, and some cardamom. These are from Sri Lanka. And I have a handful of cashews. They are from Costco actually. I like Costco cashews. They are really good. So this is, I'm going to be roasting them. Roasting the cashews with my cinnamon. And I have 2 cups of thick coconut milk here. And I have 4 cups of water here as needed. We'll be using the water. And I have my spices here. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 4 teaspoons of my curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. So let's get cooking. And I have got this. I need to tell you this. I'm going to be using coconut oil today. I probably will be using 2 to 4 teaspoons of coconut oil today with the mutton curry. Yeah, mutton curry and coconut oil goes great together. It tastes really good. So let's get cooking. Okay, is to marinate your mutton with 1 teaspoon of salt, your black pepper, your apple cider vinegar, and your tamarind, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Let's mix well. Let's roast our cashews and the cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Roast it for like about 2 minutes and let it cool off. Turn off the stove and let it cool off. So once it's cool off, I'm gonna grind this in my grinder. I'm gonna grind this. Add your coconut oil. It's about 4 teaspoons. One teaspoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, your chili powder and your paprika. And this is the mix, the cashew mix. We're going with cashew and cinnamon and cardamom and cloves. Keep stirring, mix well. And now you add your Thai chilies. And let's put our marinated mutton. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. And about maybe 2 cups of water. You stay by the pot because it has coconut milk. It might overflow, so it's good to stay by the pot. Just add your curry powder now. 4 teaspoons. Let's mix it. Smells good in here. So after 30 minutes, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna add the remaining, my 2 cups of water. Smells good. Looks delicious. I'm gonna check the salt level. Smells good in here. It needs more salt though. I'm gonna add the remaining 1 teaspoon. Delicious. Stir well and let's cover and cook. So it's been cooking for an hour. I'm gonna add the cilantro. Look at this, smells good in here. It's done actually. I'm gonna add the cilantro before I serve. This is done. I'm gonna turn it off and leave it for like about 5 to 10 minutes before I serve. Smells good. It's time eat the mutton curry. I'm gonna try with string hoppers. I'm gonna put this recipe soon on my video. And I have some rice, sambar rice. So let's try. It smells good. Some gravy. It's good. I'm gonna try the mutton. It's soft and tender and tasty. Really good. All the flavors in there. The cilantro. I'm gonna try string hoppers too. Usually string hoppers we eat with the hand. But I'm gonna try with the fork today. This meat is really good. Perfect combination. It's really good with the rice too, but these string hoppers and the gravy is delicious. With my green tea is really good. I love drinking green tea with my curries. It's really good. Gives a unique flavor. Let me try the red one. This is the red rice flour string hoppers. I'm gonna try with the gravy. This is thick and rich gravy. It goes well with the string hoppers. It's mild. It's not spicy. Perfectly cooked. Delicious. Wow. It's really good. It's delicious. Thanks for joining me today to make this mutton curry. I hope you try this and please put comments below my video. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.